Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Daros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if voice typing is not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So it could be cause a different issues here. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then click mo lang open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo nag-select dito yung privacy and security. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, and then scroll down. At dito lang sa app permissions under nito, ay select mo lang dito yung microphone. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa microphone, yung pinakauna lang makikita mo dito yung microphone access. So dapat naka-turn on dito. And then dito naman sa lit apps access yung microphone. So dapat lahat ay naka-turn on yung ginagamitan na microphone access. Katulad ng sound recorder and then yung snipping tone. Okay, so dapat naka-turn on. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa settings din, select mo lang dito yung time and language. And then dito sa time and language, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung speech. So click lang natin yan. So dito lang sa speech language, so dapat nakaselect dito yung English. Okay, so select mo lang tong English. And then dapat tong box kailangan mo i-check to recognize non-native accents for this language. So kailangan naka-check yung box, i-check natin. Ayan. And the next step na pwede natin gawin ay close lang natin tong settings. Dito lang si start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung audio inputs and outputs. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung isa sa mga driver nito. Okay? So dito sa ating audio, so select mo lang yan. Right click ka lang and then click mo lang tong update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers and browse my computer. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then select lang natin tong search automatically. So itap lang natin yan and then wait natin. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple. And then next step, close lang natin tong device manager. And then dito sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix voice typing. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix voice typing not working in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.